In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Kia Forte key fob. This particular key fob was used on Fortes between 2014 and 2018, and it takes just one of these CR2032 batteries to run. First step is just to click the button, push the button to open up this key, and now we'll be looking at the back of the device. This piece of plastic here, we will just be pulling off. And if you want to give it a try, you can actually just put your finger in here and pull just like that to open up the device. If that's a little bit difficult, you can take something like a flathead screwdriver, another key even, or let's say a coin. You just want to put it in there, hold this top piece of plastic that's not going to move, just put that in and just kind of pry it up. It'll come off pretty easily, you won't damage anything. And now we can see the battery. We just want to use something like a flathead screwdriver, something that can get in between the battery and this plastic housing, just to lift it out. Okay, so I'm gonna try to find an opening here and try to get under the battery. Just like that. Be careful. Try not to damage anything. If you have a smaller tool, like let's say you have a precision screwdriver, maybe even a toothpick, it's gonna be a little bit easier. So just remember, when you're putting in a fresh CR2032 battery, make sure this positive side goes face up. You'll slip it in and click it into place. Again, if you have a smaller tool like this, I'm gonna show you, you just wanna come in and get under it and it'll pop out very easily like that. Click your battery in, put the back on, snap it into place, and that's really all it takes. You're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And for any more information on how to change the batteries for any key fob of any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.